I'm Chandima Bandara. I'm the CEO of Precision Quantomics. Precision Quantomics is a company that provides quantitative proteomics services for pharmaceutical companies. It's a contract research organization that provides contract services and high quality reagents for pharmaceutical companies to accelerate their drug development and ensure the success once the drugs reach the market by providing the information for them to test the drugs in the marginalized populations. I come from a scientific background. I have a master's degree in biochemistry and biophysics, and also an MBA in the science MBA. And then I have worked in a contract research organization space as a business development executive and running two companies in the startup area. The reason why we started Precision Quantomics is to fill a vacuum in the drug development space. We realize there's lots of drugs that takes 10 to 12 years for drug development. And once they reach the market, there's many that fail in the marketplace, mainly for two reasons. They are not tested in the well characterized marginalized populations, so which we provide a database for this testing. And also in the current and the traditional way, the companies use Western blots and mRNA like technologies to test the effectiveness of the drugs in the certain systems. So we, with our expertise and the current technological advancements, provide quantitative proteomics, that's LCMS based method for femtomole level quantification of proteins. These are drug target proteins, drug transporters in those systems that the pharmaceutical companies can test their drugs and use for modeling for better, faster development of the drug candidates. This is my first time here in Bullpen as a satellite event to bio. I joined Bullpen through the interaction of one of my colleagues here in the Spokane startup ecosystem. I really like the motto of Bullpen, that is helping each other, that as entrepreneurs and startup CEOs, that we can really use the support and the network to spread the message about what we provide and help each other. So that's why I'm here. This is my first time. And so far I had great experience, great conversations, sit down conversations about various topics as CEOs, as CXOs that we face in our startup and the company development journey at various levels, fundraising to from the start to taking the companies to public. So it's amazing experience. So I really am enjoying here right now.